Right. Some studs. A nice shiny new turbo here. Let's see if you can actually see me. Just about. Yeah. Say hello, Eric. Alright. Let's open it up, shall we? Check it's the right one. Looking good. Shiny. Bit different to that old one anyway. Well, right, so you've got some studs here. Guess they have to go in there. An envelope. So yeah, I got this from Turbo Developments Limited. Basically, they sent me out a new one, and I've got to package up this one in that same box and send it back to them. Right, I'm going to read this for a minute. Right, I just realised, I still cut my head off. Yeah, it's just a few little bit notices and stuff in there saying that I need to change the oil and that on the truck, on the engine before we start it up and put the turbo on, and not to thrash the engine when we get it going. And then I've got to fill out that bit and put that little tag onto the old turbo and send it back. So, what I've got to do now is put these little studs on. They're going to go on here. Probably find some brass nuts or something for so they won't rust. Alright, that's them on. Alright, let's have a look at the. So if I bring you around here, I have actually already put the manifold back on. Zoom in a little bit. Gonna focus, just about. Yeah, so I have already put the manifold back on. So now should just a case of bolting the turbo on. So nice and oily. Turn that around so I can see. So it has got a gasket on here already. Put that on there. There we go, he's in. basically just a case of connecting up all the pipes and stuff now. I'll take you in for a closer look. I can get you off this stand. Zoom out. So yeah, we've got an air pipe here, which I've just popped on. We've got an oil pipe there, which feeds the oil to the bearings in the turbo. We've got another pipe that has to go on here, on top there. I think that's a return, so it comes out the top, and then it returns down that pipe back to the sump of the engine. Yeah, obviously I've got to bolt it, put the 4 nuts in and bolt it on, and then put the exhaust bit on to here, which then goes down to that pipe. So hopefully it won't be too tricky. Right, see what happens. Battery's about to die on the camera. Right, so turbo's fitted. One nice shiny new turbo. The only thing I think I was wrong about was that pipe. I'm pretty sure, I think that one might be the feed pipe and the one on the bottom might be the return. So yeah, a bit of an anticlimax now though, because I'm not actually going to start it up. One reason being I need to change the engine oil first, and the second reason being I've got lots of stuff disconnected, well, battery cables for a start, and the transfer box is hanging off, so I can't really start it up. So yeah, that's the next thing to do, is get the transfer box off and get that down to, what's he called, BK Transmissions, get that rebuilt. So yeah, what I was thinking of doing is, it's a pain in the backside to try and get well, it's easy to unbolt the transfer box, it's trying to lower it down on your own is a pain. So I might find a way of picking it up with a JCB. I was thinking about just picking up the front and tipping the whole truck on its back. I'd have to, because I've got to drain the engine oil out anyway. I'll drop the coolant out and the oil out of the gearbox, and I might well do that. So yeah, alright, we'll find out in the next video. Catch you later, thanks for watching, bye for now.